realistic to the situation. The truth of the matter is, come to a conclusion already, say, the situation was great. But if we all should take out the hatred you want to have for me and be real and go level down to and be realistic to the situation, the truth of the matter is, I'm innocent. You know why I'm innocent? Danger know what happened in that room. Lall knows what happened in that room. I am the only person who do not know what happened in that room because I was not there. Sure, we involved in the situation. Me in the situation, Danger in the situation, and Lall in the situation. Who is innocent? Who don't know nothing? Who don't know what took place in that room? Who was not in that room? You just make it make sense and break it down to me. Because at the end of the day, she said to me, she talk on her live where people send to me. And she'll say, oh, one something what she not like with me is that me like to listen to hearsay. Stacey in expression. You actually right. Because remember when we had our disagreement, that was one of the things where you say, oh, me just hear say something. I'm a believe. I'm explain to you say why me did believe. But you have to speak truth where truth deserve. Because remember, if me never hear say Danger had sex with Lall, me wouldn't know I would have in the dark because everybody else around me did hear and me never hear. Remember saying a Lall talk, you know. Let us be very clear how this entire situation, how this entire thing go. And let me just calm down. Because I get to RT, but before I get to RT, I have to just talk so I can understand where I'm coming from. How this situation come about was Lall talk and tell somebody say him fuck Danger. The fact that Lall talk say him a tell somebody say him fuck Danger. Him a talk in a sense, we say, him a hype, because you know man stay, so him feel like say, him a go bring me down. And through the somebody where him a tell, him know say, this somebody a go come back and tell me. Because at that time, me and him did 3 years before me and Lall really officially break up, me stop have sex with him, me hate the man like poison. Everybody know me feel, me come on social media, come tell you about the man, this and the man, that dirty man. So I'll want make it look like say, oh, I make me switch my mouth, me a go give you all of the details back to back, how the argument go. Because I switch my mouth. I switch the story part me. Every time I hear the story, it's a different story. It happen a different way and it say a different way. So I wanna switch the story part me. Why me have to switch my mouth? Because I don't understand why something so confusing. So like me say, Lall was the one where go out, go tell people say, him fuck Danger. When him talk say him fuck Danger, what woman come back, come say, oh, me can't take this no more. You know, you hear them say this and that and that and that and that. It's when the woman present the situation to me. What them something upon me, no hear say me no want them something the confusion. Me confused. Me not used to that TikTok something I'll try with me do. Jesus Christ. Where was I? When we reach now, when them when Lall go out there and go spread the information, I try to bring me down now, to make me look bad, like him a hype on me if he say, oh, my fuck your dancehall. Remember say Lall talk, you know. It's not Danger me hear it from, it's Lall talk. When Lall talk, and me confront Danger, and me say, you know, say, them a say this, whatever, whatever. I say, hearsay, no. Remember says hearsay, remember no say, me love listen to hearsay, remember says hearsay, and me take the hearsay and me go ask Danger, I say, Danger, why this, them a say this and whatever. Danger look on me and say, I would have never do that. Why would I do that? Oh, me fi do that. Me couldn't do that. Me leave the situation alone. It was so confusing to me. Me myself never know what happened. Me start and telling you say I was not in the room. A Danger in the room, a Canary in the room. I was not there. So because me never know the truth, me leave it alone. Me I tell about from 2016 to 2017. 2020, which is 3 years after, that is when Danger sent me a DM and reach out to me and said she need to tell me the truth. 3 years after. 3 years after, when she come and said she need to tell me the truth, remember say me done hear all kind of things, you know, and say me love listen to hear, but all kind of something was presented to me. When she come 3 years after and she attack, she tell me what she tell me. And hear what's the fuck about the situation. You see if Danger did just come out come talk the truth, all of this would not go on, you know. All of this would not go on, but we're going to get to the bottom of it. I just want to explain something to you, because the RT me I get to. Just hold on. You see, when she come and present the situation to me say to her, say, me and your woman, at the end of the day, if you know that the man do to you, if you true him deserve to go a blood clot jail, and that me tell the girl. Me all tell her, if you go report it. You see, Bamson, as she tell me, 1 week after me see RT go live, because me don't know if, me don't know how she here say them did not go live, go talk that, you know, because remember say 3 years. Hey, mighty God, them playing on my face is the bestie, but listen to the story. She come tell me in my DM, say she have something to tell me, she want to reveal the truth to me. And when she reveal the truth to me, bam, so when me look at RT that come, and I say, hey, Lala call, we gonna bust it up and spice. Hold on, me go play it because I'm in a foolishness. Because I see RT boss depend live. What day ya with danger? When me best them a cuss me and I say, where you go over there for? Because me want go in at them backyard. Go face them. For sure them say, me no afraid of no. And I lie the whole out I tell. Member say, oh, the story a come out is RT come out, come talk, say, Lall fuck danger. The same RT will go back on the live and I say, she get raped. Me just want to know watch the plot where the people them a plot up. That's what I know, man. Me want to know see the big plot. Oh, you flip this now. Talk to me best to know me don't know if you use this. Oh, you flip the screen. If you want to see that in the phone, yeah. Me rascal. Me need to join somebody if you come help me host this. Flip camera, you dirty blood clot, yo. You can't read. We could start here, so. We start here, so. I'm make sure screen record them, yeah. What go on now? That's a few more be strong. What is? Yeah, that's how it ends. See it, yeah? This is...
Big man, Lall. Hello? Alright, where you say now? You be there for your baby mother now, where you say? Me hear some argument on people say. Hold on, me hook you up on the speaker. Hold on. Me put up on the speaker because that one you have to verify. Good, hold on, Lall. This is Spice baby father call me now up on the live. Story get hot. Hold on. Lalla call. Yes, you dirty blood clot, yo. You dirty blood clot, yo. Where is the Lall? Now, me say some allegations, so me a suck danger pussy. You understand what I'm going to say? What your woman says?
The story.
They want to something later. Alright, so what you want to say to the people before you go away? What you want to say to the people? Yo, more some clarity about that thing, yo, because me hear me mix up on me and danger pussy and everything like that. Yo, listen, man. Yo, the fuck danger, of course. But then you pussy something like no, it don't work. Lall, the people them spice. No, come on. Alright, alright, one.
Repeat this, hold on. I want to not take me feed that, I just want to not follow the story. Some of them on the TikTok attack, I never know how the story go. Follow the blood clot story.
Spice, you go suck on mother.
Yes, man, we're going to suck with mother, but you don't worry yourself. Just worry your blood clot. Don't worry your blood clot self.
Alright, so what you want to say to the people before you go away? What you want to say to the people? Yo, more some clarity about that thing, yo, because me hear me mix up on me and danger pussy and everything like that. Yo, listen, man. The fuck danger, of course. But then you pussy something like no, it don't work. Lall, the people them spice. No, come on. Alright, alright, one.
Oh, you flip back around this now. Hold on. Once we establish, say, RT boss is the one we come out on the internet because 3 years before this, I already confronted danger and she tell me say a lie. So me did be know. So enough time when we not talk about, oh, every minute Spice stop talk to somebody. Every minute Spice somebody in a problem like me a bumble clock. Listen, man. 3 years before that, me know, I me never say nothing. Me I hold it down. I now wonder why me and Danger don't work again. I me never come out, come talk it. It's RT come out, come talk it with the baby father because them did that try to hype. And think say them are going to bring me down. So them swear, so them are bust up something for me. You know how you might run and a hype. Lalla call. Listen to it, blood clot it there on YouTube. Me on go screenshot the part so you can't hear it. So when RT come out, come plan up with the baby father, if it come bring me down, and say, Lall, fuck the woman. Why RT dep on internet? No, back with the woman, which is Danger. I remember Danger slow enough. She not so bright, so she a blood clot idiot. She dep on bumper clot. TikTok live with RT. Like she don't remember how the fucking story go. Say RT did blood clot, bust it up. Panar. Say fucking Canar fuck her. Okay, so the whole on the team up now because I don't listen to the song, you know. Me sing the song, I don't listen to it, you know. Me say me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them fuck me man right under me side. The same people where used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden, everybody tight. Uno na bumbo clat listen. Uno just dep on TikTok a chat. And uno na listen to the song and uno na follow the story. And some of them don't really know how this go. You understand? We don't really understand the situation. We just talk. So back we talk. After RT boss come say, Canar, fuck Danger. That's what grape Danger. I'm not even know say grape pineapple, peach or plum. I never know say me have to do something. So. Remember say me living at the embarrassment, you know, because I act like me and a human. I told you guys that the name of my album is called Mirror. And I'm going through a reflection. I'm here to speak my truth. And a lot of people are talking, oh, so why you thought that business is my business? It happened to me. It happened to me. So at the end of the day, if somebody come confront me right now and say, oh, we want to do a bio on your aura, whatever the city name, them are going to do a documentary. It a go in there. It a go talk. It come like the man where did say something where happen can't nobody happen. It can't do bother happen. It happened to me. It's my story. It's a part of my journey. So while everybody have them side of the story, I have to speak my side of the story. Because you have the lie, you have the truth. And I was not there, so I don't know what is the truth. So alright then, when the incident happened, and me I say, Danger the word we are woman at the end of the day. Me not gonna run go pick up for the man. Me hate the man. Everybody knows me hate the man. Me not like my baby father. Who no know that? So me never shun Danger and say, oh, me never believe her, whatever. What leads me now to not believe, when the incident happened, and you tell me, and then couple days after, RT come out with the incident, me I say, oh, me I hold that incident here for 3 years. And right as RT ready to come say him about disgrace me, you run come tell me quick before him disgrace me. Because remember, RT did a call whole heap of people for plan up against me, you know, including my baby father. And my baby father just take the baby because through me and him left. But a whole heap of people, RT did a call, and the people them a call me and I say, I would a man name RT. I tell me, say, give me this money for bring you down. And I tell me this and I tell me that. So me don't know if Danger did happen for hear the call or the conversation. But me I tell you, say, right in at the time when RT go live, he say, I go bring me down, Danger come tell me, say, a grape. Alright, me take the story, say a grape. When the story was so big, I would go live and me talk and me have bring down Canar and I say, if you rape, if you go to prison. People start calling me and I say, me an idiot. People when know all the story go start calling me and I say, me an idiot. Remember, I know, people did their own me and know say, them a ear say, Danger and the man grape or fuck or whatever, I know. Them say them never hear about no grapes. The Stacey expression come and she say, 1 year before it bust out, she hear about it. The rest of people, them when did their own me, them did hear about it too. Everybody here say, Danger and the man did a fuck. And nobody never tell me, and me alone never know, until 3 years after. So when me go live and the whole mix up and ray, I saw everybody a call me now when I come talk about. Me didn't know, I know, me did hear, and I know that me hear, and this me hear, and that me hear. And me just leave it and make bygones be bygones. Me just leave it and me make bygones be bygones and me make peace reign. A year after it happened, she's Danger same one turn around and come join a competition. Me don't know if you remember when she do a dance competition and me put her in the competition. And when me put her in the competition, she end up win the money for the competition. For sure, say me never have her up in my heart. Me never have no heavy heart against her. Me make she enter the competition. She end up win the competition and me don't even remember how much money she did get if her 200,000 or how the money go. So me never have her up in my heart. Me never have her up nor nothing. She win the competition and have the same brother where she have, where she not like. Cause she not even like the brother neither. I'm out to complain when she complain about her own brother. And the same brother where she have done the fight her off for the money. Them hungry belly blood clot. The brother nearly kill her over the money when me make she win. Hey, uno dep on TikTok attack and uno know nothing, you know. At that bun me, you know. Me say uno dep on TikTok attack and I give uno opinion and oh, Spice and the girl get grape and bumbleclad pineapple. And uno know nothing go. Uno no know not to go. Uno no know not to go. Uno no know the story and the journey. The brother nearly kill blood clot danger for the little money when me give her for she win the, when she win the competition. And this are after. So what I say? What I talk say? What I talk say? And I talk uno no know. Me, Grace Hamilton insensitive to what? Are you crazy? Uno know me, man? Are you crazy? Me stand up down at some fest with danger stand up behind me when me give rebel a shovel. I'm a DJ and a freestyle and I say any man rape me chop off. I want to know, man. Wanna get on the story on the facts together first before we even address this because we don't know the entirety of what happened and what took place. Now again, now we out there I say, oh, Spice change her mouth. Me change my mouth, you know why? First thing Danger tell me say, the situation with she and Lall happened the very first time I went on tour. Then she changed her mouth and she said, it happened when we were writing Indicator song. Two different times this now, we know. First of all, when I wrote Indicator song, I remember it like it was yesterday. It was a night when I could not sleep in my bed. And we were on tour. And 3 a.m., me call her and me say, Danger, you asleep? And she said, no, she not asleep. And me say, you know, say me have one idea, me write one song. And me say, come in my room now. And we did it till morning light. At JP come tell me, say, go pack up on a something flight. A time to go away, we have to go up on flight. What you talk about? A pure different story you again. So you are the reason why you are making me feel like I'm crazy because you keep changing your story. You go back again and you change your story again and you say, oh, me must remember, say, oh, the man did I go up on the road and me tell him, say, him not fi drink and drunk. Because when he drink and drunk, he go fuck all heap a girl. This is one total different night again, Danger. So how much story you have for the one story? How much story you have for the one story? And then you're confused again and say, oh, me come and change my mouth and you are change your mouth 40, 50 times. Me don't understand. Next thing now, you say, oh, the man go out and him did drink and drunk and whatever. So him was drunk, you did drunk too, or you did sober. Me don't understand because I am confused why I am innocent. I wasn't there. You and the man did in the room and everybody blame me. Or I make it seems like say, and me are the problem or me insensitive. Like what? Are you guys crazy? When you serious? Because when we make people mad because me I wonder if me for the liquor I try to lick my head. How this? Make it make sense. What I say? All right, now. We'll move on. You change your story multiple times. Again, remember, we never leave off on no bad terms, Danger. I wish you all the best. I'm going to tell us if you do your thing. And again, after you tell me, say, you're the man fucker, whatever, you come in on my competition, you win the competition, me give you your money, your brother nearly kill you for the money. When me go at DR, I'm there for me die in bed. Why your brother go do song about me and you there, they share up the song and you there, they share it and I laugh and I go on? What? I'm never bother dead. I'm come back. I'm never answer you and your brother. I'm do my song and I don't call your name and you run out. And I say, karma I go reach me. And me I go get crucified. Always karma I go reach me. And you say, you the karma I reach. Danger, my album name Mirror 25. I'm doing a reflection. I have to speak about my story. This is my journey. You need to look in the mirror and do a reflection as well. Because more often know if you're not blind. If you know sister out of the whole of we were used to hang together, you alone they're zero. Look for Rebel and look for TC. You know see that the girl in flourish and you the karma reach. Because you is the one we're in the situation where you do. You're not blind. You're not see well. It look like you're not see well. You're going to talk about karma go reach me. Oh, it's karma go reach me. What you mean? Me never call your name. I never call your name and you run out and I say, karma go reach me and all kind of something go reach me. Like you not see well. You not see well. Girl, what? Okay, you come back out and you talk all kind of things. But me never grape you. Me no pineapple you, me no cherry you, me no plum, me no get no peaches, no apple. No banana. So, oh, you talk so much something about me and all now you don't mention one thing about the person who grape you. These are the things that you're doing to insinuate the fact that it's me you're jealous over, me you have a problem with because you act like me did obligated for every time I go shop me buy something for you too. Why? Okay. Alright, let me calm down because sometimes my delivery come off because of the things they want to do to me and make it seem like I'm me I do something. So let me calm down. I'm trying to say, if this person grape you, how comes all know you don't say nothing bad about this person that grape you? Everything. Spice. Una see she come out because maybe don't say. Una see she come out and say something about Lall? Maybe una tell me. Best una talk to me no man because una say me bagger like say me crazy. Nobody not talk for me, so I have to talk for myself. Did you see this girl come to diss up the man with graper, pineapple, cherry, and plum? Did she come out, diss him up and say something about him? Because I've never been great before, so me can probably speak on the experience. But what I'm thinking in my head, I would be angry at this person. So the brother say, oh, she did young. Remember when we meet her, she did have her daughter already, you know. So all that was, say, oh, when you meet her, she did young and naive. Let us say that she was young and she couldn't talk at the time when it happened. Why you're not talking now? You're still afraid? Because you're still not talking about the person who grape you. Every post where you post, Spice this and that and me no good and me say this board this and me say this board that and me say y'all bring up all strengths. You all on a plot. I don't know if RT train you or what. Girl, come back to yourself. Come back to who you are. What y'all talk about? Y'all try to bring up people, to turn people against me in every way, shape and form. I follow blood clot RT. You talk about Shensia. Ask Shensia when she go in at the studio the very first time for record. Who left them yard and come in at the studio with her. And I tell her how to deliver the song. Who no go call her and ask her, what you talk about, girl? Them some of the things women are like in a dancehall, we not always turn to make it look like I'm the angry black woman. And that is something where one day when I come out and say, may the big belly man go at him at the problem. That I become know within myself, say me and the girl not have nothing. So when you come talk about? What you talk about? You talk about everything else except the situation and you not even realize. Oh, and you say this about TC, and you say this about Rebel. Where you? What about the man that grape you? Me no business with nobody business. Me come stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. But it so happens that your business with Lall end up to be my business because I did in the situation. So I'm me for shame because I saw they plot it up, though. That's why RT did deliver the message. So RT I turn around now, team up with you and him come out and team up with Lall. Say Lall, fuck you. Confusing. Let me just move on real quick and get to Bumbleclad RT. RT boss, go suck your mother. Come use your blood clot tongue and lava juice underneath me. RT, you can't bring me down. Shame and success, I go kill your RT boss. You can't blood clot bring me down. Come use your bisexual tongue underneath me, RT boss. And lava juice under me. You come talk about my son. Me post my son every day. Post yours. Beku see him. Beku see your blood clot son. How him look. Post your data. Beku see them. Since as you want to talk about picnic, let's go kids for kids. I post my kids and you post yours. Can you post your kids? You can't blood clot post them. So you want everybody picnic for me body man and blood clot sodomite. But you come talk pam danger blood clot life what there. You uncle talk about insensitive with grape. And you're a raper man. Raper, blood clot, pedophile, artist, thinking mode, shit toilet, pit toilet, RT. Let me explain blood clot this year. But I feel like me and you go back and forth. When me done with the life here tonight, you could have talk all blood clot, dog. You could have drag and bring me now blood clot. Look for your attention you need. An international press, you look dirty boy. RT, you can't get the press from blood clot me. RT, you cannot get the press from me. You don't know what me do. Me trick your blood clot. You don't know what me do. When you come out because you want me clout, because remember say me and you was friend enough. First of all, let me calm down and go back to 0. And then me come back to 10. Me and you was friend, you come round me and you long here and licky because you see me things them and you want it. You come on me yard and you want me house. You come, you want me everything where you see me with you want. Remember you was a pastor. Pastor, remember me meet you as a pastor. That's why me don't like blood clot. Some people will love come talk about them a prophet and them a this and them a that. When I met you, RT, you did have one church down a blood clot Central Village. You was a pastor. Your name Pastor Smith. Why you not talk about your real pastor? You come and tell liar and come act like say you're a obeah man. You's not no blood clot obeah man. The only way I could have proved to you say it's not no obeah man if you keep silent. Because me a girl, me know my Bible. And blood clot, God said, if silent and left him work. And me silent for 3 years. Me give you 3 years to prove to your own self say you're not the obeah man. Because if you claim say you're obeah man and you tell people say you blood clot do things to me, why you can't do it for your blood clot self? I know you can't bust. You come like iron balloon. You know see you sing blood clot song from morning till night till dusk till dawn from Sunday to Sunday and it's still not blood clot gone away. All when you want this song for bust you come out and make all Amari spit pan blood clot you. Kick your dumb shit pan you and you still can't bust. You're not shame. What kind of obeah man you be? If you can't obey your blood clot career, you can't obey yourself. Cause suck your mama, batty boy. And me a ramp with, you come talk and a go on. Me no bumper clad Fred yeah. That's why you cut off your life for there. My fans them come talk about, oh, you shouldn't go over playing on me a bumper clad come over there. Because me go show you say me no afraid of no. And if you don't have no life in back up and talk about me, talking on my face and make me hear it. Talking on my face and make me hear it. Because first of all, we could talk about this since as we talk about graper with the past situation. Best is you want to watch a movie with me? Let's watch a movie. You dirty blood clot, yo. Because after you plan up with my baby father and talk about say, you go bring me down and you go shame me. Same fuck danger. You turn on and gone pan life with danger. Now I come talk about say, a grape. Pick a blood clot side. Which one is it? Your dirty blood clot. Your best is we're going to watch movie. Let's watch movie. Bumbo clot.
What my beautiful people? This voice note has been circulating on social media where the individual had exposed the boy RT molested him when he was 15 years old.
Let's watch a movie.
For the last few weeks now, we see more and more they on a campaign and more talk over and over upon our life. You understand? That's man expose RT boss for touching little boy there. You see me I saying even RT boss was on his life and literally I cried. And I said, boy, nothing goes up. And I thought, how much money him lose? I said, boy, I was saying, cease and desist letter to Momo. And Momo decides, yo, she not get none and she not respond because what she's saying is factual. So RT boss can't make no check to her when it comes to the authority for she shaking her boots. Quick crocodile tail. This struggle is real. But my beautiful people, I want you guys to listen to this message and then, boy, we can talk a bit after. Why? When you want to tell Father God to fix it, because probably Father God don't have nothing to do with it. You crocodile tail, listen.
Hello?
Concluded in 2023, the best way to
skip off the ads, yeah. We could skip off the ads, yeah, because we depend live blood clot YouTube.
Amazon's other company.
Outside that. How you turn up this too?
Auto pays me $8,000 to $10,000 every single month.
You can hear me? What
How we volume there?
Oh. Are you gonna call the next month or connect to the phone? Yeah, hear me? Where you at? You by yourself?
RT about a bag of fully accusing him. You see me I say?
Oh, yeah,
and you can hear what the individual I say, and you must say, boy, I'm what?
Oh, yeah. After I put the dance to me? What's wrong? Oh, are you gonna call the next month or connect to the phone? Yeah, hear me? Where you at? You by yourself? Look me in my eyes. I want to ask you a serious question. Can you come over there? I'm going to ask you a serious question. Okay.
Oh, they must have me can't show
Yeah,
it.
you know you my dog for life. I love you for no matter what you want to be because you don't
Wanna
get
say they
love
can't show the
for
TV?
a lot, right, Forrest? More ask that question. I love your mother, you know I love your mother and everything. More ask that question, you know me RT, even never said nothing. Years you know me get RT boss. Is it true when you went to Jamaica? I'm asking you, ask me to you. Is it true when you went to Jamaica? Did you RT boss did it? Is he gay? RT boss, is he gay? Did you do it? Alright, is he gay? How did the story go? How did the story go? Can you please tell me how the story goes? Because, yo, I want to know because in my head I'm thinking he's gay like this. Gay nigga trying to talk up to me, and I don't have no problem with the gay nigga because you know my best friend in my body. Alright, I want to stand him up, son. You don't even fucking know. From I heard what I heard with you. From I heard what I heard with you. I want to stand him up, and you just don't know, nigga. You really just don't know. Because at first, when people had like about they want to say, move up, you notice I watch you. You notice I watch everything you do. I like your music and everything. I'm going to listen to the words in there, sounding up. Hold on. Let me put this in. It's okay. Yeah, what do you think? Hold on. Let me put the press in. Let me ask you this. Oh, God, watch it. That's what he's like calling Dewey gay, but Dewey is not gay. And then he's like calling men gay, and he's a fake reader man. Like when you and Safari and used to part, like I don't know. Like he keep coming for people and calling them gay, and he's really gay. He's talking about he have his wife, he's straight, he don't fuck man, this and that. Yeah, nigga had the nerve to call me a pig, and I was like, you know what? Let me leave you alone. Cause you's a boxy man, and somebody else, another little boy told me something in Jamaica the other day when I was there, but I soon get on that with him. But I'm not gonna tell the little boy name or nothing because that's my friend too. Just like how I love you, I'm gonna love him too. And I believe that little boy. I swear to God, I believe that little boy.
Driving back from Florida.
Yeah.
That man was adamant, like he was not stopping. Like if I go sit in the back seat, he want to sit in the back seat. I get out the car, he want to get out the car. That nigga's weird as fuck.
You look so uncomfortable.
And if you ask my mom, I was already just feeling that before everything happened. That's why I stayed away.
No, nigga, I just don't, and you remember I've been raped before, so you know I watch people, I know their feeling, I know, and I said it like, yo, this nigga is like, and then my other friend, the way he acts when he hears about his name, is like he want to slit his wrist.
That's kind of like when me more so it's kind of like he back in the corner.
Oh my God, please stop.
Not even like physically like back in the corner, but it's just like, it was like,
my nigga, anywhere I see him, my nigga, I swear, yo, it's like, people don't understand, it's not you alone, you know?
I figured that.
And it's because of people with their money and love obeah, dog. I'm doing it to my friend because of the father I love obeah. I live in California and I pay money. Them I send them go around them trick people for come around him and them do them something they're Florida. He lived in Florida. What you mean? He was in Florida and he did it to my friend, son. They in Florida. Florida, I heard he did it. And then he lived and he have a place in Florida. You didn't know?
No.
You only know about Jamaica where they live at?
No, because last time he wasn't in Florida, he was in Maryland.
And you see how he's adamant about Spice, and Spice don't be talking his business, and he's still on that lady?
Securely store your passwords, so you can sign in with just a click. Fast.
Hold on,
safe,
let me skip this.
Yours. Get Chrome for Windows.
Hold on, because let me skip this. Lord Jesus, me never know if it work nothing yet. When them are there, the little boy just ready for talk now. Hold on.
Bitch too.
Yeah.
Everybody know what the fuck he was doing, because even the dancer girl, trust me, he fucked a man and a woman. That nigga's bisexual, nigga. A bisexual rapist, nigga. That's what I would fucking call him, nigga.
The little boy just ready for talk.
It's been bothering me for years. I'm not gonna lie. From the move on, I want to ask him, what man say, yo, should I? But I was like, yeah, I should, because he's like that's my little nephew. This is bro. 3 years ago, they got to make that pandemic, so they got out.
Yeah, it was what?
It was before she went the last time.
Yeah.
I remember she was so hurt about it, like she said she didn't know until you text her and, told her. You came out about it.
Good times, sadly, did. I couldn't,
You know the feeling, like everybody asked me why I came out so long about my rape and my family. And it's like I felt like I was back in the corner. I felt like they was gonna take me away or something was gonna happen or it's gonna be a tragic situation. Don't ever blame yourself, you hear me?
Look a boy just have a talk now.
Don't you ever blame yourself on God. I told the other little boy in Jamaica when I was down there, I was like, yo, it's a fucked up, don't cry. I'm sorry. I know how it feels it. Man, I tell you, I'm gonna get molested when I 8 years old every fucking day till I was 9, till my mother got out of prison. You hear me? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to bring it up because I know it's just that it's bothering me, and I know sometimes you need to talk to get it out too. At the end of the day, you get what I mean? Somebody will been through it too, where know the feeling and them something that I've been molested. Because like you're saying, it was adamant, it was at times, it was just like my rapist. He lived in the house. If I go to the back, I'm scared to go piss. I'm scared to go to the kitchen to eat. I'm afraid to grab me and go out. I'm afraid of it. So I know what you're talking about. How he's coming in the back of the car with you. How he's coming out of the car to the store with you. How he coming. I get you. I get you.
it was kind of like the night when it happened, like,
Yeah.
I just felt like it was gonna happen, and I kept trying to, like,
I know, like you were scared, huh? Where, how much, like Jamaica?
that's what you think.
So when you got back from Jamaica, you told her?
So this happened before Jamaica trip, like,
So why did you go? Why did you go?
I was in Florida, and he drove us back. This was like in 2016 before we moved to Long Island.
Oh, God.
Before we went to Jamaica. And it was like, he and Lall was talking for a good 6 months. He's like, he and Lall was talking for a good 6 months. And then one day it's like, she called me over.
Because we like to stay with him the night in Queens. Because there's no way for you to drive all the way back up in the Long Island where you live at.
I was probably between like 15 and
Oh, 15? Yeah, because you went there at 23?
25 now.
25? Oh, jeez.
And it was just kind of like, for you to get out of this situation, you just gotta, it was just like that, start staying away from that dude. I didn't know he stayed out there. I feel like that's too close.
Yeah. That's crazy. So basically, that night, that's when it happened. Oh my God! I think he lives in one of those states. I'm gonna look back on his license plates again. Somebody took a screenshot of his car.
Turn on the light. Battyfish RT. You know what I want to see now? Oh, turn on the light, yeah. Turn on the light out here, so. Me just come out of my movie theater. You know what I want to see now? Come on, now. Oh, danger get grape and you over there attack. I want to see who I will support you now after the little boy talk say you grape him. Because me hate Lall. Me publicly thought that. If Lall grape danger, Lall to go a blood clot prison. Me no support raper man. Me can talk that publicly. publicly. Everybody know how me feel about Lall. Lall is a blood clot demon. Although me not hear danger mud up Lall graper, but me can rub him and done him up. Because remember me tell us, me hear that the man with a poison and a passion. And the worst thing ever happening in my life. All us could have tumbled down for me, but me want to see. Bling at them sit down side there like them never hear that a blood clot while ago. Me want to see media continue to post you after the little boy said you grape him all time when I'm out. And that me a watch to see how big your money is and what society turn to. Because you will never see me post Lall. You will never see me animal bumbo clot black frack. You will never see me back with that demand there. Him Latin part with me done. Me done telling already say me don't know what the truth is and me don't give a fuck. Me I'm gonna know say a danger animal loaded in the room. So any story go me don't give a fuck. Me cut tie with the two now. But me want to see who I go continue to support you and go like them blood clot friend. Come say me can't fight this song in my career which you claim say a lot door part. I go like them one naive to the situation say it's not no blood clot what your man. Shit up batty boy. Blood clot bisexual tongue come lava juice under me RT. Me no afraid of blood clot you. A blood clot demon they set out in me member right now. You can't come for my picnic them. You can't talk about my son or my daughter. You start something where you can't you go sorry say you so long you trouble me I not say nothing. You so much years you trouble me I not say nothing no. Eh? Pedophile RT me want to see who I go support you now. Me want to see who I go post you. Me I go watch every media house to see who I go come and attack and go on like say you take people for blood clot idiot. You me want to see who I go support your pedophile. Yeah, let me see how tall your money is. You never know. The little boy saying was 15 years old. Why you do it, RT? The little boy said he was 15 years old. 15 years old. Why you trouble the people, them little boy? And burst up the little boy bottom. Why you do that? Why you do that? Evil, wicked demon man. Because that's how when you walk with the demon spirit them, you have to do all kind of things. Why you do them something there? Look, innocent little boy, why you do it? Me tell Danger say, if you go and report it, I'm willing to spend my money on back her. She never showed up. She never want to report it. She never pursue. So now when you turn around and come act like say, me do something. Me not do nothing, me innocent, but RT, you were up on the live with Danger. You did tell her that story, yeah? You did tell her this? Did you tell her that you can relate to our situation because you also is a rapist? You did tell her that? Besties, they're going to come with a lot of stories. They're going to plot up a lot of things. They're going to scheme up. They're going to try to see how them can take me down. Because them sister and me against the whole of them. One woman army and them could have group up and plot up look more. Me stand up like the tribe of Judah, the conquering lion. Because God already tell me, say, no weapon that rise up against me shall prosper. And me already tell God to plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with me. And fight against those who fight against me. And to take all of my shield and buckler and stand up for my help. Me already talk about that. So me don't know who you think you are worrying about. It's not me because me already tell God to take everything and take the case. So you must know how your backlog go. You RT boss, me I tell you say, yo, you was a pastor when me meet you. Go repent your sins and that you fi do. Pastor Smith. Me don't know who never come talk about RT boss, because I don't know that person there. But Pastor Smith, we used to have the church down a Central Village, which part me meet you. Go back to your senses. Go back to your senses. And remember me tell you, say, don't matter feel like say, you get what you want now because Spice is finally talking about you. Spice will never talk about you, baby. So you can say all what you want to say. You can make up what you want. You can go find media for pay. You can go find people to come and bring me down. You can go tell all kind of people to sing this about me, talk this about me. All kind of lies. All kind of lies and plot up on a plot up. Besties, just know, keep on the focus. I will not be following up RT because he wants my clout, he wants some of my popularity, he wants some local media attention, he wants international recognition. And that you're not going to blood clot get. Because it's it you eat me for. And that you're not going to blood clot get. Because it's it you eat me for.